Please enjoy this video we created to inform you about 4th grade. We are looking forward to a great year.
Hello, my name is Terry Dwyer, and I'm very excited to spend another year at English Landing. I joined the 4th grade team last year, but will celebrate my 10th year in the classroom this year. I earned my bachelor's degree in elementary education from St. Mary's College in Notre Dame, Indiana, and a master's degree in curriculum and instruction from the University of St. Mary in Leavenworth. I was born and raised in St. Louis, Missouri, then moved to Kansas City with my husband Jim 14 years ago. We have 2 daughters, Clara and Madeline, and a dog named Kaya. When I'm not at school, I enjoy spending time outdoors with my family, swimming, riding bikes, running, hiking, and experiencing all Kansas City has to offer. The best part of being a classroom teacher is meeting and getting to know each of my students and their families. I appreciate your support of our learning this year and look forward to the excitement ahead.
Welcome to 4th grade. My name is Abby Turnbull, and I am excited to be on the 4th grade team for the Park Hill 2018-2019 school year. This will be my 3rd year to teach and my 2nd year at English Landing. I'm originally from Nixa, Missouri. I graduated from University of Missouri with a degree in elementary education and a minor in human development and family studies in 2016. In 2017, I completed my master's degree through the MU Fellowship Program. This fall, I have started the process to receive my Educational Specialist degree in Learning Technologies and Design. I am very excited to get this year underway and learn alongside your student.
My name is Katie Betts, and I'm excited to be your 4th grade teacher. This will be my 3rd year at English Landing, but my 10th year teaching 4th grade. I received my bachelor's degree in business management from Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, and then 3 years after working in hotel management, I went back to school to Cal State Fullerton to receive my teaching certificate. I recently just finished my master's in elementary math from Northwest Missouri State this summer. I am married to my husband, Jason. We have an almost 4-year-old son named Colton and 2 dogs, Charlie and Sasha. We enjoy being outside and cheering on our favorite college football teams, the K-State Wildcats and the Iowa Hawkeyes. I also enjoy reading in my free time and just spending time with my family. I'm looking forward to a great year.
Hello, are you ready for a great year? My name is Abby Sanford, and I am excited to be teaching 4th grade this year. I'm originally from the Kansas City area and went to Oak Park High School. I graduated from the University of Missouri with my bachelor's in elementary education in 2013. I completed my master's in learning, teaching, and curriculum through the MU Fellows Program in 2014. Go Tigers! I began my teaching career in Independence, where I taught 4th grade for 1 year and 2nd grade for 2 years. After being hired in the Park Hill School District, I began my English Landing career. I have taught 5th grade for the past 2 years at English Landing and am excited for the opportunity to loop with my students this year. Even though I am teaching 4th grade this year, I will be remaining in the 5th grade hallway in room 109. When I am not at school, I am usually spending time with my husband, Carson, and our golden retriever, Charlie. On the weekend, you can find me spending time with my family, reading, and exploring Kansas City. I am looking forward to a wonderful school year.
In reading, your child will be reading nearly equal parts, fiction and nonfiction, and will be strengthening all of the reading skills that we are familiar with: summarizing, comparing, contrasting, inferring, and many more. Likewise, in writing, your child will be composing both fiction and nonfiction pieces while following the writing process. Reading and writing units will overlap. For example, students will be analyzing characters they read in a fiction unit while they practice writing in detail about their own characters. In class, we will continue to use the workshop format, which will continue to ensure your child's learning is individualized based on classroom data collected.
In science, we will continue our use of STEM Scopes curriculum. Students will be learning science concepts through discovery and exploring through inquiry activities and investigations. In 4th grade, students will experience 3 science domains: physical science, life science, and earth and space science. This year in social studies, we will be following new standards that focus on the U.S. regions, the migration of people in the United States, and the causes and effects of the American Revolution.
This year, your child will develop their depth of mathematical understanding by connecting meaning to procedures. Math will be presented in a workshop format. This will consist of a direct, focused teaching lesson based on a specific strand presented to the whole class. Students will also be engaged in activities to reinforce learning, receive additional support with a concept, or work on enrichment activities. Some of the skill lessons will include 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, division with 3 to 4-digit divisors, adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators, and measurement and geometry concepts. A major focus will be on a both conceptual understanding and procedural fluency. The goal is to produce mathematically powerful students who can reason, solve, and explain both procedural and application problems. Our ending goal is for students to be able to solve multi-step problems independently and to be able to communicate verbally and in writing how they solved their math problem.
We are excited that fourth grade will be taking part in the Park Hill School District one-to-one laptop initiative during the 2018-2019 school year. As part of one-to-one, your student will be receiving a laptop to use at school. Though the device will remain at school, it will be assigned to your student to allow for a seamless digital learning experience. Your student will use his or her laptop throughout the school day for engaging, student-centered, and authentic learning opportunities that will allow for a deeper understanding of the core content. In addition, students will have convenient access to numerous online resources. In fourth grade, we will be focused on the ISTE standards of digital citizenship as well as knowledge constructor. We will explore different ways to use technology to present concepts learned.
Students will be given a picture badge that is to be worn at all times during the day. Students are also only allowed to wear the school-provided lanyard. Each badge will be used to check out books from the school library, as well as purchase school lunches. Badges will also have the child's bus number on the back and will be used to get on and off the bus each day. If a student does lose their badge, the first replacement is free. Any replacements after this will be $5.
Each quarter, student report cards are only available to view online via the parent portal in Infinite Campus. If you have not set up your Infinite Campus parent portal account, please contact Mrs. Wood in the office to provide you with an activation key or visit the English Landing front office to get set up. If you need assistance with your parent portal account at any time during the year, please contact your student's teacher or Mrs. Wood in the office. We want all parents to be able to see their students' progress each quarter.
To begin the year, it is essential to review the expectations with everyone. SOAR is an acronym for Safety First, Own Your Actions, Attitude Matters, and Respect Everyone. You will see various posters around the school that show what it means to SOAR in different areas in the school, such as the restroom, hallway, cafeteria, and classroom. Throughout the year, you will also hear about SOAR cards. These are given to students who are soaring throughout the building. They are recognized each day on morning announcements for their achievement.
Each classroom will have a system in place that encourages positive behavior and a positive classroom culture. Students will help determine the expectations at the beginning of the year that promote this type of classroom culture. Rewards will be given to students who are helping create a positive classroom environment, but rewards may vary between classrooms. Typical consequences of students who may not be following the classroom expectations may include reminders, discussions, parent phone calls, think sheets, or sitting in a buddy classroom.
Every quarter, each classroom will have a SMART goal that students will be working towards. Evidence of student success with this goal will be displayed in the hallway outside your child's classroom. Students will also be tracking pre- and post assessments throughout the year and making individual academic goals.
School and grade level updates will be found on our grade level website. The link can be found on the English Landing website, and the teachers will also be emailing you this link. Email will be the best way for your child's teacher to update you on any important dates or information, so please make sure that you have provided your teacher with the correct email and that the email provided to the school is also correct. In addition to the grade level website and email, your student's teacher may also use other sites such as Classroom Dojo and Seesaw to update you about what is happening in the classroom. Please do not hesitate to contact your student's teacher with any questions or concerns. We are looking forward to a great year.
3 Park Hill Elementary Schools, English Landing, Prairie Point, and Renner, are piloting Avid Elementary during the 2018-2019 school year. Avid Elementary focuses on teaching and reinforcing academic behaviors and higher level thinking. Avid Elementary provides educators a structure for teaching students the academic habits they need to be more successful in middle school, high school, and college or career in an age-appropriate and challenging way. The strong college-bound culture will be visible to encourage elementary students to begin thinking about their future while embedding these Avid skills of writing, inquiry, collaboration, organization, and reading into grade-level curriculum. Throughout this first school year of Avid Elementary, families will see K-5 classrooms adopt age-appropriate organization systems to develop greater independence for all students, including the use of a daily visual schedule, student academic binders, and grade-level planners.